Let's walk through how to connect Slack to your landing pages in LanderLab. Starting in your dashboard, click on the name of the landing page where you want to receive lead notifications. Navigate to the Integrations tab and click Add Integration. Search for Slack, select it, and give the integration a name. You will then be asked for an incoming webhook URL. To get this URL, you need to visit the Slack API website. You can find the link in the bio below. Once there, click Create an App and choose From Scratch. Name your app, select the workspace where you want the notifications to appear, and then click Create App. When the app settings load, look under the Features menu on the left and click Incoming Webhooks. Toggle Activate Incoming Webhooks to On. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Add New Webhook to Workspace. Choose the specific channel where you want leads posted and click Allow. Your webhook is now ready, so just click Copy to grab the URL. Switching back to LanderLab, paste your copied webhook URL into the field and click Continue. Next, choose your message format. The list format automatically structures every lead field, while custom lets you write your own template. We will proceed with the custom layout here and hit continue. Review your setup and click Connect Slack. To verify everything is working, open your landing page and submit a test lead. We will fill out the form steps here with some test data. Once you submit the final quote request, keep in mind that it may take a few seconds for the lead to appear. Switch over to your Slack workspace and you will see the app has posted a message with the lead details directly into your chosen channel.